So somebody had asked the question of how can we trim two tubes like I have shown on the screen here. So I'm just going to show you the method that I use to go through this. So where these two tubes are at, they're intersecting one another and we want to leave like a corner joint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create intersection curves first by selecting the two different tubes and saying OK. And if I turn off the shading, we can see that it created two sets of intersection curves. And the curve that I'm interested in is the curve that's going to leave me this kind of 90-degree intersection. So I want like a 45-degree miter on these two tubes. So I'm going to get rid of the other curve that I don't want. So I will chain select that, holding down Shift and clicking, and simply click Delete. So that's left me this ellipse right here. All right, so once I've got that done, I will come over and I'm going to use the break surface option, and I'm going to pick my first tube and then turn off shading. I'm using the S key for that, and I will shift click that ellipse and say OK. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other solid. So I will pick this one, turn off shading, shift click, select the ellipse and say OK. So now I can exit that command and I can simply use my selection tool to pick the leftover components and press delete. And this is going to leave me with my nice 45-degree mitered corner on two solid tubes. I hope that helps.